What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how I got approved for $40,000 with Chase Freedom. Now basically my credit wasn't as good because I do not have enough credit card history or age to build my credit. So what I did to get approved for a $40,000 credit card with Chase was get a credit card primary trade line reported, which gives me the age and credit history that I need for my personal credit. Now what I'm showing you is a $20,000 Capital One credit card that was reported 4 days ago, and it has 4 years and 2 months of payment history. So because this account was having payments for all these years, this account was reflected as my own as a primary account owner. Now the company that I go to, called Tradelines LLC, reported this primary trade line with 4 years of credit history on my credit report, and I also got approved of the $40,000 because the $20K credit card primary trade line came with a $60K auto primary trade line. Now here is the company that I went to, and I have chosen the professional pricing. So the professional is a one-time payment, and it comes with a total of $80K credit line. So it comes with a $60K auto primary and a $20K credit card, which is the same exact credit card reported on all three credit bureaus. Now the credit card only has 2% utilization with 100% payment history. Shows right here, the same exact account that I purchased reported 2% utilization 4 days ago, and 2% of the $20,000 available credit limit is reported balance $411. Now, if you're trying to get approved for a high limit credit card or get an auto loan and get approved, then going to this website called Tradelines LLC, they have numerous of primary trade lines that do report, and all the proof is in this video, and also they also have proof on the website. You can contact them through text or email. I'm just showing you that it worked for me.